Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing another meal by Sunbasket. We're doing something that's I think nice and easy. It'll take about 20 minutes. We're gonna do a Tumeric Pollock, which is a type of fish, with tamarind, green beans over spicy jalapeno rice. And so it should be super easy, super quick, and I hope you like it. We're gonna go through the ingredients, then I'm gonna go through the instructions, and then I'll do the steps. Actually, there's not that many steps today. We're just making rice, making the fish, and we're gonna cut this onion. And then I think that's it. But I'm gonna go through it really quickly, and then we'll do it sped up so that you don't have to like suffer through me cutting all the onions and things like that. And then we'll plate it and taste it. So with that, let's make some moves. So included in the kit is always your instructions, recipe card, and then you have in this one for this meal, organic green beans, pollock. You have masala, basmati rice, ground turmeric, organic onions, organic tamarind paste, pickled jalapeños, and fire roasted tomatoes. The thing that I really like about the Sunbasket meals, like I said, is that they have all fresh organic ingredients. I find it really easy to use. And so we're gonna go through, I'm gonna read through the instructions first, and then as you see from the recipe card, the things that you need, and then the things from your pantry: kosher salt, ground black pepper, olive oil, and then we're going to cook everything. So should be straightforward and easy. So it should be straightforward and easy, and we're gonna get at doing this really quickly. So let's make a move. So YouTube friends and family, we're gonna read through the instructions, and we are looking at how to make this pollock with turmeric pollock with tamarind green beans over spicy jalapeno rice. It should be straightforward, and it sounds straightforward, but we'll see from the instructions. So step one is gonna cook the rice. So we're gonna rinse the rice in a pot. We're gonna take a small pot, and we're gonna use the rice. I'm just gonna use all of this rice and 1 cup of water. So this will only take 1 cup of water in the pot. We're gonna cook the rice until it's tender for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're gonna make the rice go to a boil first, and then you're gonna put it on the back. You're gonna let it just simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you fluff it with a fork, and you wanna just keep it warm while we're preparing the rest of the meal. The second part of the meal is we're gonna prep the rest of the vegetables. So we have to cut this. We're gonna cut the ends of this, and we're gonna dice cut the onion in half. We're gonna peel the onion, cut it in half lengthwise, and then we're gonna thinly slice it. We're gonna open up the green beans, and we're gonna trim off the ends. And then finally, we're gonna chop the jalapenos that we have. We gotta make sure we wash our hands after handling this. I did that the other day. I chopped some peppers and I touched my face. And I didn't even touch my eyes. I just touched my face and my skin started to burn. So just make sure you wash your hands afterwards. And then after that, step three, we're gonna prep and brown the seafood. So we're gonna cook the seafood in a medium frying pan over medium-high heat with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil until hot but not smoking. We're gonna add the seafood, and we're gonna cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. So this is like super, super quick. And then we're gonna transfer it to a plate. And then finally, we're gonna cook the vegetables, which is our vegetables here, in the same pan that we just cooked the seafood in. We are going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, still medium-high heat. You're gonna make sure it's hot but not smoking. You're gonna put in your onions and your green beans, and you're gonna season it with salt and pepper until the green beans start to soften, because you don't want them really hard. Then we're gonna stir in some garam masala. And then we're gonna cook about 1 minute until it's all fragrant. And then we'll add the tamarind paste and the fire roasted tomatoes with 1 cup of water. And then we'll reduce the heat. Then we add the seafood that we already cooked, that we had set aside, back to the mix. And then all of that will mix together. And then we remove it to the thing. And then we add it on top of the rice. And that's it. It should be straightforward and easy. I'm gonna walk you through the steps. It'll be fast, but I'll go through all the steps. I'll show you the steps of cooking everything except for the rice. The rice, You just put rice in a pot and you boil it. So everything else, I'll show you how to do that. And I'll actually show you you'll see me plating it. We'll plate it today, just so you can see what the plating looks like. And then that's it. And then we'll taste it and be done. So we're moving. So we finished cooking. You saw me do the plating, so now you know how to do the plating. And now the last thing to do is just to taste it to see what it came out like. I think it'll be pretty good. The turmeric smells so fragrant. The garam masala is just really nice. And then of course the tamarind gives it a sweet feel to it. I would say that if you want, you may want to add more spices to it, because I'm not sure how hot the jalapeno rice is going to be. But let's try it and see how it came out. Very nice, not too spicy. Tastes very authentic. South Asian, Southeast Asian. It's a very nice, fresh, light, a good summer meal. There's not a lot of oil in it, so I don't think it's a lot of calories. I think it's 430 calories per serving. Our plating came out very similar to this, but you saw me walk through the plating. But all in all, it's nice. It's just a nice kind of light heat in the back of your throat. I'm sorry, I think I'm catching a cold, so that's why my voice sounds a little off. But it's dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, easy meal. Hit that like button for the algorithm. Please hit the notification bell so you can see when more of my videos come out. Again, this is a sunbasket meal, but you can, because of the cards, you can just buy the ingredients and do this yourself. I would do this myself. I really like the taste of this. If I'm gonna rate this meal on the ease of making it, this is probably a 2 or 3. It's very easy to make. In terms of taste, this is probably one of the ones higher on my list. This is probably 9. I really like this meal. And all in all, I'm actually pretty pleased with Sunbasket. It's I have a referral code in the bottom link, so if you look in the description, you'll see a referral code. But Sunbasket, I like them. The meals are always fresh, things are cold, and everything's organic. So remember, that's the selling point. But with that, I think I'm closing this video out. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave comments below. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you've had this specific meal before, or if there's other services you want me to try. And with that, it's your boy GB Reviews. I'm calling it a day because my throat is shot. Anyway, subscribe and like below. Robot time. Peace.
subscribe right below.